have a right to choose how I want to live. I can't nobody tell me how to live. Can't nobody tell me who to be. Can't nobody tell me anything.
I don't understand how she's sovereign, but she has enough of Ohio ID to get...
Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving into a traffic stop that turns bizarre instantly. A woman with no plates proudly claims she's a Moorish American, confident she's found a loophole in reality. The officer's calm, but you can see he's already preparing for nonsense. She starts tossing around legal buzzwords she barely understands. It's sovereign citizen energy at full blast, loud, misplaced, and totally certain. And we're only getting started.
Hello, how are we doing? I'm Officer Douglas, Korea Police. The reason for the stop is you don't have a tag on your vehicle.
Right, it's not. I don't contract with the state of Ohio.
Okay.
I'm a private national.
Okay, so you're a sovereign citizen thing?
Well, no, it's not a sovereign citizen.
Are you Moorish?
Yes, I am.
Okay. All right, do you have your travel document or what do you have? Okay. Where do you stay at? In Elyria?
No, I don't.
Okay. What's your current address?
I Docimile in Berea.
The excuses start flying fast. She insists she's traveling, not driving, as if saying it changes the law. The officer stays patient, asking for her license, while she argues she doesn't need one. Her smug confidence builds with every word, convinced she's teaching the cop a secret. The tension is already building, and the officer's restraint is the only thing holding this stop together.
Anything with the VIN on the vehicle?
No,
no registration or anything like that?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I do have my all my information right here.
Okay. Do you mind if I see that?
Yes.
Right.
And I also have my Moorish. Well, it should be right there, all right there. Yeah, it's all right there.
Have you ever had a Ohio ID before?
I don't contract with the state of Ohio.
So have you ever had an Ohio ID before?
No, I don't contract with it.
Okay. All right, give me 1 second. 1640. Go ahead. Yeah, this is a sovereign citizen. I don't know if you want to head up here. I'm sure they're going to request the boss at some point.
John 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Here's also my right to travel. That's also notarized and it's notarized and it's filed with the state of Ohio.
Okay.
It's an affidavit of my right to travel.
What is your first name?
Asada.
Okay. And then your last name is Bay?
Yes, it is.
Okay. You said 223 Run Street?
That's my address on there. You can't just you can take that out of your pocket.
I'm not taking it, I'm just holding it so my hands are free. That's it.
Oh, okay. So I'm on my way somewhere that's very important.
Okay.
And you kind of holding me up.
She pulls out her Moorish ID and a pile of papers she treats like official documents. You can tell they're homemade, but she's dead serious. The officer glances at them once and instantly knows what he's dealing with. She proudly announces her documents override the state, and it's clear, logic checked out miles ago. It's sovereign cosplay at its finest.
And I also do have a fee schedule as well.
A fee schedule?
Yes.
What is that?
Schedule.
I don't know what that is.
It's a fee schedule for if I'm bothered in my private mode of travel. So this is a notice of intent fee schedule. And so this is for any and everything that you may have going to pull me over for, or anything that you may keep me on the side of the road for.
It's called a fee schedule?
Yes, it is a fee schedule.
Here, can I take a look at the first? Oh, I'm sorry. The first one on the fee schedule? Yeah. Okay. All right. We'll just hang tight, okay?
Well, listen.
What's up?
Can I have my ID back
Yeah, you're welcome to.
so I can go?
You're not free to leave.
Why?
Because you're being detained.
Detained?
Yeah, it's a traffic stop. You're detained. You're not in handcuffs or anything like that. But
This is unlawful detainment.
it's not, okay?
It is unlawful
I know you believe it
detainment.
is, but I've done this plenty of times, okay?
Okay, well, I also have the right to travel
Okay.
in my private
May I
mode
see
of
that?
transportation. It's my private mode of transportation.
May I see that? Here, you want to trade? I'll give you this back.
No, you cannot.
Oh, okay. All right, well, just like I said, you're not free to go, okay? So just hang out for 1 second, all right? What's up, Chief? Sovereign citizen. Moorish American.
Well, those in a while.
I think I got a real info though off a paper that she showed me. Dominique Cattell.
I'm on the street.
Allegedly. She doesn't live there. She's, I don't know the word she said.
That's a mile.
She has a fee schedule for any time she's stopped by law enforcement and bothered.
Fee schedule?
Yeah.
Where are you on chill?
Fee schedule. So we should charge her for every time. Or
No.
she charges us.
She charges us. She just has no business with the state of Ohio, but she has allegedly an affidavit signed by the state of Ohio saying that she's allowed to travel. I just figure I've dealt with sovereign citizens before,
Right.
and that's what I asked her. I was like, "Oh, are you Moorish American?"
I mean, she's still got to identify herself is the problem, and that's where that's where the hook will be. That's usually where these things go south.
Yeah. What was your name before it was Bay?
My name is Asada L Star Bay. That's all. The old name does not matter.
Okay.
So this is
matters
my
to
name.
us, though.
This is my name, and this is filed with the Moorish National Network.
Now she presents her affidavit of right to travel, waving it like it's divine law. Every sentence sounds legal but means nothing. The cop listens, unfazed, as she quotes made-up rulings. Her confidence is pure theater, completely detached from reality. You can feel how used to this the officer is, like he's seen the same show 100 times.
The state of Ohio, and it's not a law enforcement
Right,
agency.
and I'm
trying
talking
to-
about Supreme Court law. I'm not talking about the state of Ohio. Supreme Court law. I am a Moorish national,
Okay.
and this is my travel card. I went through all the proper steps to get my travel card. I went through all the proper steps to put everybody on notice, and this is what it is.
So that's not a driver's license, okay?
It is my right to I don't have a driver's license because I do not contract with the state of Ohio for a driver's license. I do have a right to travel
I
in my
understand.
private mode of travel, and this is my private mode of travel. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just letting you know I have a right to be private. I live in the private, and this is how I conduct my affairs. I don't contract with the state of Ohio with the driver's license. I don't contract with the state of Ohio for anything. I have a right to contract how I want because I live in the
Then comes the wild claim. She has a fee schedule, and says the officer owes her money. She's literally trying to invoice the police for stopping her. The cop doesn't even flinch. He calmly says, "That's not how it works," while she doubles down. The second-hand embarrassment hits hard, and the delusion is in full bloom.
This is my travel card, and this is my Moorish American national name.
So you don't drive on any public streets or anything like that?
I'm not conducting commerce. This is I'm not for hire. I'm not for any of that. So I'm not conducting commerce on any public highways. I'm not doing any type of business. I'm going from point A to point B in my private mode of travel, and I'm not conducting any type of business. I'm not conducting any commerce that would need me to have a driver's license, and I have not committed a crime.
You have committed a crime.
I have not committed a crime.
You don't have any license plates on your vehicle.
I have a private, I don't need a license plate
You
on
need
my
a license
vehicle.
plate not bought from eBay on your vehicle. You need to be registered.
Oh no, this
with the
came
state.
from the Moorish National Network when it came with my
Her tone sharpens now. She's quoting fake laws, tossing in legal codes she clearly made up. The officer explains the rules again, keeping it simple, but she's locked in her fantasy. It's logic versus belief, and belief is losing fast. You can feel the frustration building as she refuses to accept basic reality.
It's a private, what they have on eBay is not my business, it's not my concern. But this is a private vehicle, I'm not for hire, I'm not for contract, and I'm not conducting any type of commerce, sir.
Okay, I understand that you fully believe in all this, okay? And I respect
No,
that.
I know, and it's not what I believe in, it's what I know. I know that the Supreme Court law states that I have a right to travel just like I'm traveling. Supreme Court law says that, not me. I didn't say it. I didn't make it up. This is Supreme Court law. I have it right here in my thing. It's Supreme Court law. It's not something that I made up. It's just Supreme Court law.
Okay, and I fully understand that you believe that, okay?
No,
And
it
I'm
isn't
telling
what
you,
I believe. It's
it
what
is.
the Supreme Court law states.
Ma'am, I'm telling you.
Okay, could you call your sergeant, please?
Ma'am, I'm the chief of police.
Okay, well, are you the sergeant?
I'm the chief of police. It's my department. I'm the head of the agency.
Okay, where's the sergeant?
The chief of police steps in, hoping reason will help, but it only makes her louder. She claims to outrank everyone because she lives in the private. The confidence is unmatched, the logic non-existent. The chief keeps his cool, realizing quickly there's no winning with someone arguing from imagination.
I would be above this.
Oh, okay.
So
Well,
that's why I came over here to try and always be I think to settle this as easy as possible.
yeah, that's fine.
Everybody involved. That's why I thought I'm going to come over here. I'm going to have a conversation with you.
Okay.
I'm a student of this. I love to hear this stuff. I love
Okay.
to talk to you.
Okay.
Where we're at, though, is Ohio. How many things?
Right, but I'm not conducting commerce. I have it right here. It's
And I know what you're
Supreme Court law.
reference. I've seen it. Unfortunately, that's not the context of the law.
Oh,
It's not.
oh, this is all. I have all of it in here.
So what? So I guess what I would
I have
ask,
it all in here.
and I see that you've got that nice bullet point and everything else like that. That's great.
All of them. Every case law, everything in here is all.
Once you can identify you, we'll let you
You just identified me.
Well, you can't find you in the system.
Okay, that's
We
fine.
have to know who you are.
I just told my name is Asada L. Star Faye. And that's, you don't have a right to do that.
To do what?
To write anything down that has anything to do with my vehicle.
Okay.
You do not.
No, you don't. I know my rights.
You know the law.
Okay, and I also know my rights.
And I'm
You guys
trying to
are
respect
policy
you.
enforcers. You guys are okay, but you guys are public servants. You're a public servant. You're here to serve the public.
Right.
I'm not. I didn't call you. I didn't ask you. You have your lights on behind me. You're supposed to use your lights in a state of emergency. This is not an emergency. Right, but it's not.
So that's why we're here. And again, you're not the first worst person that I've encountered. And
Okay.
Usually we have a very good conversation.
And
that's what I want. I don't want to cause you any problems.
Right. Well, why can't you accept my Morris National ID and let me?
She keeps repeating the same lines like a broken record, waving papers, shouting about federal recognition. The officers exchange looks. They've clearly dealt with this before. Every excuse is recycled from some YouTube legal fantasy. It's stubbornness on full display, and the cops are done entertaining it.
It's not issued by recognized government entity.
But we are our own government. We have our own Morris National government. Yes, we do. Okay, but
it's not recognized by the state of Ohio or the United States government.
it is recognized by. It is recognized. It's definitely recognized by the Department of Justice.
Well,
we have.
It's
No. We have right here. We have a Department of Justice, and it's all on the back. Would you like to read it?
Who issued that to you? Is that Morris?
Yes, the government, the Morris National government. You're concerned because my plate says private?
Because it's not a registered license plate in the state of Ohio. Or any other state.
Because I don't contract. And you do know about contracts, correct? We have a right to contract how we choose to contract. And if I choose to register a vehicle and get a plate.
You understand then that we have the right then to enforce the laws of the state and the city, which can include,
I've already put everyone on notice that needed to be put on notice. Maybe I should contact the Berea Police Department and let the Berea Police Department. Maybe I should do that.
Now the officer patiently explains that public roads mean public law. Her comeback? You have no jurisdiction. It's the final wall between her and reality. The cop fires back calmly, saying they'll settle that in court. It's the line that signals the end of her illusion and the start of accountability.
Now we're here.
Okay,
we have to be satisfied with that we're not doing what we need to do. And then we both go about our day.
Right. I'm just trying to figure out.
Can you cooperate with the officer a little bit, give him some information, figure out who you are, this vehicle,
This is my vehicle.
Okay, but we need some verification. You understand that?
I don't have an ID saying anything of who I previously was.
But you know who you previously were, right?
Yeah.
So, that's all I'm asking. I can't do this as possible. That's why I left my office to come here and talk to you.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's important. I want to respect you and respect what you believe.
Right.
I also need you then to give you a little bit of that back. Respect back.
Oh, I'm giving you respect. I gave you my ID.
What job we have to do? I guess this isn't the first time you've encountered a police officer.
This is not the first time. I have, and I've never had any issues like I do in Berea. I have the worst issues. It's the Berea Police Department. I feel like at this point it's like a harassment type.
Have I treated you
No. I'm talking about the people that work for you or under you.
I'm sorry.
At this point, I feel like it's harassment. I don't know if it's because of the color of my skin. I don't know if it's because I choose to live in the private, because I have a choice to live in the private.
I respect everybody.
You know.
That's why I'm having this conversation with you.
Right.
And we're not trying to escalate things. We're trying to keep calm, real, and just trying to. We can do our business, and we can let you go about your business.
I'm not understanding what else you.
Well, we need to verify who you are. And again, there's no verification. I have no idea who you are.
This is who I am.
Let's see you are now. I said the
Any ID that I have has this on.
Because you'll understand that in the state of Ohio, we have these sort of interactions here before to identify yourself to a law enforcement officer.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't lawfully do that, we can take you to jail. We can figure out. We don't want to do that.
Take me to jail for what? What crime have I committed?
To identify yourself.
Oh, that's not. It
is in the state of Ohio.
I don't really have to tell you who I am.
You do. You should be
Lawfully. Well, this is unlawfully detained. I haven't been. What does lawfully detained mean?
We have a right to stop you based on your vehicle not being properly registered in the state of Ohio. We
Right.
stopped you. Now we have to figure out who you are and make sure the vehicle's okay to be on the streets.
Why wouldn't it be okay to be on the street?
I don't know, because I can't verify that. I mean, we're just talking in circles here. So.
No. I'm not understanding. What is the issue? Why would the vehicle not be safe to be on the streets? What's the issue? Why would it? What's wrong with the vehicle that it wouldn't be safe?
I have no idea where the vehicle came from. Why would we have
No, it belongs to me.
But again, you can't verify that because you have a homemade license plate.
Well, it's not homemade.
1615 radio, traffic stop.
You have a license plate that's not issued by the
I've never had a license plate on this car.
Henry Street with
that's where we're at.
Right, I've never had a
So I'm going to
license plate.
help us here a little bit to identify yourself. If you don't do that, then we are going to probably take you to custody if they're to identify.
So you're threatening to take me to
No, I'm
jail
not threatening, I'm telling you.
for a non-violent crime, for a crime that hasn't been committed and committed?
Which is the last thing
Because I do have a fee schedule here,
Okay.
and my fee schedule definitely
it will go up
says.
then. Okay. And you can make those claims after the fact, but I don't want to get there. Okay?
Hold on, where's unlawful detainment or detainment, lawful detainment? Because issue traffic citation for $75,000.
Wow! The land of make-believe!
I'm in court.
About your fee requirement, then?
Excuse me?
Would you rather just have us issue a traffic citation? If we know who you are, we'll issue a traffic citation, send you on your way, and you can go about trying to make a claim for that.
A claim for what?
For us issuing you a
Would you
traffic
like to read
citation.
this? Because
We're past that now. I've told you where we're at this point. I'm just asking for some cooperation at this point.
I'm giving you cooperation.
But you're not. You're giving me a lot of the more stuff, which I respect it. I love it. I said I'm a student of people and humanity, and that's why I'm trying to have this conversation with you. But you're not really working with me at all.
Okay.
So
Well-
I've told you what the response is going to be. If you I don't want to do that. That's the last thing I do. You seem like a very nice person. You seem you're a mother of 6. I don't want anything to do. I don't.
His name is Chief Clark.
This man.
What's your name?
Officer Douglas.
Officer Douglas. Oh, I am. I'm gonna definitely file a lawsuit.
Okay.
Okay, let me call you back, Mom.
Could you just provide your information before you got it switched over? Could you just provide your name before you got it switched to Bay to me?
You looked it up, didn't you?
I looked up Bay. Yeah, we're asking about if you had a name
Did
before
you see my
that.
fee schedule?
No,
You did.
I saw it.
You wrote down.
What did I write down?
What did you write down?
I wrote down your VIN, and then the birthday you provided me, and then street.
Could I see what you wrote down?
What is your name? Was it the Dominique? Was that your old first name?
So if you
I
know
can't just
that,
run Dominique. There's
so
a million
if
Dominiques in
you
Ohio.
Know that, why are you sitting here trying to play me like I'm stupid?
Your last name
You got the VIN number, don't you?
if it's never been registered to you, it will never come back to a license plate.
It doesn't, because I got.
If it's never been registered to you in the state of Ohio, it's never going to come back to a state of Ohio license plate, and therefore it won't be registered to you or anyone else. Does that make sense?
You can tell us if it was registered in the previous state. I can look it up that way.
No, it was registered here.
In Ohio or through the Moorish nation?
No, it was registered here when I bought it because I had to register it here when I bought it.
Did they give you a temporary tag?
And yes, and it expired.
Okay.
And once it expired, I never got anything else because I do not contract with the state of Ohio to get a license.
Okay.
I'm not trying to be difficult. This is just what this is who I am. I don't go by the old name anymore. I'm not a murderer. I'm not a killer. I'm just a mother who's trying to go get some groceries for her 6 children.
The officer writes her a ticket, and she flat out refuses to sign. She insists she doesn't contract with the state. The officer just nods, documenting it all. Her confidence starts to crack, but she hides it behind empty threats of lawsuits. Her fantasy world is breaking apart, one legal buzzword at a time.
I don't plan to get a driver's license, and like I said, I'm a mother of 6. I have to travel.
If you're able to, I have an OLN. This might be her. I did a couple of different search engines. Is her name Dominique Camel by chance?
Give me the DL, I'll run it.
Suspended license. Suspended license.
Yeah, thanks, radio. Not valid, but no warrants.
Not valid?
Yes.
Like
okay, send her on her way.
Send her on her way.
Cool.
You good with that?
Yep. I'm giving you a ticket, okay? I'm saying and advising, City of Bree is advising you have to go to court for the ticket, okay? Now, you can go to court with all your documents, everything like that. You can prove your case. You can file the fees that you'd like against us and not against the court, okay? Right. I just have to advise you that you have to appear in court, okay? Your court date will be March 24th at 9 in the morning in Berea. By signing it, you're not admitting guilt.
Oh, I'm not signing.
Okay, all right. All right. So here's your copy, okay? Mm-hmm. There is the court date at the top on the inside. There's also a phone number and a website on the back, okay?
Okay.
Directly to you.
Now comes the inevitable crash. The officer informs her she's under arrest, and she instantly explodes, shouting about jurisdiction and sovereign rights. The officers stay calm, moving by the book, while she spirals. It's the perfect moment where delusion meets the hard edge of reality.
I got a woman, but don't
Post office, I mean another.
The fuck? Hold on, yeah, come on.
Okay.
Okay, but don't.
So 16 another unit from the post office.
I have a shoulder thing. So please don't grab on my shoulder like that because my shoulder it will dislocate. Call my mom, CJ. Let me lock my door.
Okay, hold on.
What's wrong with you? Just grabbing on me like that. So full of shit.
Okay. What, can I lock these so I don't tighten up on you?
Oh, give me my fucking phone. No, hell no. I have to call my mother.
Okay.
Let's come on.
You never got a plate for the car either, right?
No, and I'm not. It's not
Never got a
registered.
license?
It's not registered.
You're not driving, you're traveling, same thing
I'm
as last time.
traveling. Yes, you know that. You know that.
You can't have stuff in the back seat, okay?
This is mine.
Okay. I'm not going anywhere with it. Just can't have it on you. Simple as that. Okay?
So I can't have my debit card either?
Yes, no, I can get everything for you. You just can't have it in the back
Why can't I have
seat.
my keys?
Because you can't have anything.
Okay, but I don't want you touching my keys.
That's fine, but you can't have it.
Okay, but I need to call my mom so she can come pick me up.
Well, you're not getting picked up. You're in jail.
Okay, but I can still get out.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need her to come pick me up.
Okay, and we can make that arrangement when it gets there, okay?
Off me.
Ma'am, you never laughed, okay?
No, you need to get the fuck off me.
Okay.
You know goddamn well I ain't in y'all jurisdiction. You just want to fuck with
Jurisdiction?
me. Prejudice.
1673.
What jurisdiction do we have?
I'm not in your jurisdiction.
Are you in the city of Berea?
You're not even supposed to be fucking.
And that's the grand finale. She's cuffed, still yelling, still claiming immunity. The officers remain professional, carrying out their job flawlessly. What started as self-proclaimed sovereignty ends as simple law enforcement. It's poetic, predictable, and deeply satisfying. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.